Say hello, Fred. Hi, Fred. Look at me just having fun. It's an African gray, and they're known for their red tails. And they're the best talking parrot. Then we got a yellow nape. Yellow nape. This guy's trying to get in the frame. Yellow nape. Yep, it's a Hans Mini macaw. This is a blue and gold macaw. Come here, blue and gold. See, these are all babies. This is a crossbreed between a military and a blue and gold. They call him a millie gold. And he likes attention. Watch how much he loves attention, this guy. This is a red-fronted macaw. He's playing around. That's a blue-fronted Amazon. And here's my buddy, the Hans. And that is a Goffin cockatoo. How cool. Coolest bird. This guy, he's been nailing me. Come on, hit it. He wants to eat. Oh, he's got my finger. He's talking already, see that? These are cool. Anyways, if you don't like parrots, you really got to check this place out. It's in Oldsmar. It's just the greatest bird place in the world. I miss these kind of places.